Hi budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel, Watching You. Let's begin with how to draw Mimi from Super Paper Mario. Mimi is a completely geometrical character, so you'll need a ruler to draw her accurately. We'll start with her face, which is a square shape. The name, Mimi, is given to her because she mimics Merely and other characters in Super Paper Mario. She is also a shapeshifter, constantly mimicking and changing her form. I think this name is quite fitting for her. Now, let's draw her pigtails, which are also geometric in shape. You can think of them as rectangles within another rectangle. We'll do the same for both sides. Moving on to her torso, Mimi wears a yellow outfit with a red bow. The red bow stands out from her outfit, so it shouldn't sit completely inside the rectangle, it should extend slightly outward. Now, I'm drawing her hands and the default dress she wears in Super Paper Mario. Interestingly, she wears 8 different outfits in each chapter, including a banker's outfit, a maid dress, a kimono, and more. However, I chose to draw her default outfit, the yellow polka dot dress with a red bow. She has oval-shaped eyes with dense eyelids, which look very pretty, and you need to draw them on both sides. You can use a black pen to color them in completely. Additionally, her upper eyelids are dark green. Now that I've completed drawing her eyes and added blush, let's move on to the polka dots. I used a 360-degree protractor to ensure the circles are evenly spaced and aligned across her yellow skirt. The polka dots should not be placed randomly or in a zigzag pattern. Make sure they are arranged neatly in rows and columns. Let's start coloring Mimi. I used yellow-green to color her hair and face. Do it slowly to avoid smudging or going outside the boundaries. If it does go outside the lines, no problem, we can fix it using a black outliner when we finish. While outlining, we can use it to cover any marks that have gone beyond the lines. When I first saw Mimi, I thought she was very cute and kind. However, in the game, she is nothing like that. She is extremely violent, has a cruel temper, and uses her innocent appearance to enslave travelers. As I mentioned, she is also known as Mimi the Copycat, and her true form is far from the sweet girl she pretends to be. In reality, she is an evil-looking robotic spider, more like a sinister bot. Once the face is completely colored, I used a red gel glitter pen to highlight the bow on her outfit. I used carmine red for her blush. Now, moving on to the outfit, the main color is bright yellow. I used pastel yellow for the entire outfit, wherever yellow is needed, including the pocket. Please don't forget the pocket, it should also be colored yellow. Leave the polka dots white, as they are in the original design. When you look at her hands and legs, she resembles a stick figure, right? During certain battle sequences against her, you can catch a glimpse of her original form. Interestingly, in the final chapter, Chapter 8, Mimi appears in a beach outfit. If any of you would like me to draw Mimi in her beach outfit, let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to create one for you. In this part, you will use a black sketch pen to thicken the borders and lines, making the character more prominent, just like the original design. This is also the step where you can correct any mistakes. If the color has smudged or gone outside the lines, you can use the black outline to thicken the borders and cover the smudges, making them less visible. Mimi was created in the year 2007. That's why I believe she was given a vintage touch, with a retro-inspired design. This explains why she wears a polka dot dress. If she were created in today's era, during the Gen Alpha or Gen Beta years, she would probably have a much funkier outfit to match modern trends. And ta-da! We have finished drawing and coloring Mimi from Super Paper Mario. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.